Welcome back! Today we're diving into the delicious world of Mediterranean snacks. If you love fresh, flavorful, and healthy treats, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to show you how to whip up 5 amazing snacks that will bring the taste of the Mediterranean right to your home. First up, we've got the crunchy and refreshing cucumber and feta bites, perfect for a quick and tasty snack. Next, we'll mix up a batch of Mediterranean trail mix, a savory blend of nuts, seeds, and dried fruits that's ideal for on-the-go snacking. Then, it's on to the elegant Caprese skewers with a balsamic reduction, which pairs beautifully with any meal or works great as a standalone appetizer. We'll also bake some delicious spinach and feta mini muffins that are sure to be a hit at any gathering. And finally, we'll finish off with sweet and nutty almond and apricot bites, a simple yet delightful treat. Stay tuned as we go through each recipe step by step, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our tasty adventures. Let's get started and bring these Mediterranean flavors to life. These cucumber and feta bites are not only easy to prepare, but also offer a burst of fresh and tangy flavors, making them a delightful treat for your taste buds. They're perfect for summer gatherings or as a healthy snack any time of the day. Ingredients: 1 large cucumber, 200 grams feta cheese, crumbled or cut into small cubes, fresh dill, finely chopped, zest of 1 lemon, black pepper, freshly ground, optional, extra virgin olive oil, optional for drizzling. Instructions: wash the cucumber thoroughly. Slice it into 1 2-inch thick rounds. If you prefer, you can peel stripes on the cucumber for a decorative look before slicing. Place the cucumber slices on a serving platter. Top each slice with a generous amount of crumbled or cubed feta cheese. Sprinkle each bite with finely chopped fresh dill. Grate lemon zest over the top of the bites for a fresh, citrusy flavor. Optionally, add a light drizzle of extra virgin olive oil over the bites. Season with freshly ground black pepper to taste. Serve immediately or chill in the refrigerator before serving to allow the flavors to meld together slightly. This Mediterranean trail mix is not only flavorful, but also packed with nutrients from nuts and seeds, making it a healthy snack option. The addition of dried olives and sun-dried tomatoes brings a unique savory twist that sets it apart from traditional sweet trail mixes. Ingredients: 1 cup almonds, raw or roasted, 1 cup walnuts, raw or roasted, 1/2 cup pumpkin seeds, raw or roasted, 1/2 cup sunflower seeds, raw or roasted, 1/2 cup dried olives, pitted and chopped, 1/2 cup sun-dried tomatoes, chopped, 1 teaspoon sea salt, adjust to taste, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, optional, 1 teaspoon dried herbs, such as thyme, oregano, or rosemary for extra flavor. Instructions: if you prefer your nuts and seeds roasted, you can dry roast them in a skillet over medium heat for about 3-5 minutes, or until they start to brown slightly and become fragrant. Make sure to stir frequently to prevent burning. Let them cool before mixing with other ingredients. In a large bowl, combine the almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds. Mix well. Add the chopped dried olives and sun-dried tomatoes to the bowl. Sprinkle with sea salt, black pepper, and any optional dried herbs. Toss everything together until well mixed. Transfer the trail mix to an airtight container. It can be stored at room temperature for up to 2 weeks, or in the refrigerator for longer freshness. These Caprese skewers are a perfect appetizer for any gathering, combining fresh flavors with the rich sweetness of balsamic reduction. They are visually appealing, easy to make, and always a hit. Ingredients: cherry tomatoes, about 24 washed, mozzarella balls, about 24, drained if stored in water, fresh basil leaves, about 24 large leaves, balsamic vinegar, 1 cup for reduction, and extra virgin olive oil for drizzling, optional, salt to taste, black pepper, freshly ground to taste, small wooden skewers, about 12. Instructions: pour 1 cup of balsamic vinegar into a small saucepan and bring to a simmer over medium-low heat. Allow the vinegar to simmer gently until it reduces by about half and thickens to a syrup-like consistency, which typically takes about 10-15 minutes. Keep an eye on it to ensure it doesn't burn. Start by threading 1 cherry tomato onto a skewer. Next, fold a basil leaf in half, if large, and thread it onto the skewer just behind the tomato. Then add a mozzarella ball. Repeat the process until the skewer is filled. Typically, each skewer will have about 2 sets of tomato, basil, and mozzarella. Repeat with the remaining skewers. Lay the completed skewers on a serving platter. Drizzle them with the cooled balsamic reduction and a little extra virgin olive oil if using. Season lightly with salt and freshly ground black pepper, and serve immediately or at room temperature. These spinach and feta mini muffins are a tasty and nutritious snack, perfect for breakfasts, brunches, or as a healthy snack throughout the day. Ingredients: 1 cup fresh spinach, finely chopped, 1/2 cup feta cheese crumbled, 2 large eggs, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup milk. You can use any type, dairy or non-dairy, 1/4 cup olive oil, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Optional: 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg or garlic powder for added flavor. Instructions: preheat your oven to 375 degree F, 190 degree C, and grease a mini muffin tin or line it with mini muffin liners. In a large bowl, sift together the flour, baking powder, salt, and pepper. Add nutmeg or garlic powder if using. This helps incorporate air into the flour, making the muffins lighter. In another bowl, whisk together the eggs, milk, and olive oil until well combined. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and stir until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make the muffins tough. Fold in the chopped spinach and crumbled feta cheese until evenly distributed throughout the batter. Spoon the batter into the prepared mini muffin tins, filling each cup about 3/4 full. Bake in the preheated oven for 15-20 minutes, or until the tops are lightly golden and a toothpick inserted into the center of a muffin comes out clean. Allow the muffins to cool in the pan for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Serve warm or at room temperature. These almond and apricot bites are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients, making them an excellent snack for any time of the day. Ingredients: 1 cup dried apricots, roughly chopped, 1 cup raw almonds, 1/2 cup shredded coconut, optional for coating, 1 tablespoon honey, optional for extra sweetness, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, optional for flavor, a pinch of salt to enhance flavors. Instructions: if your almonds aren't already roasted, you can lightly roast them in a dry skillet over medium heat for a few minutes until they are slightly golden and fragrant. Let them cool before using. Place the almonds in a food processor and pulse until they are finely ground. Add the chopped dried apricots, honey, vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt to the food processor with the ground almonds. Pulse the mixture until it becomes sticky and holds together when pressed. If the mixture is too dry, you can add a bit more honey or a small amount of water to help it stick together. Scoop out tablespoon-sized amounts of the mixture and roll them into balls between your palms. Roll the balls in shredded coconut if desired until well coated. Place the almond and apricot bites on a baking sheet or plate lined with parchment paper. Refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to set, which makes them easier to handle. Store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to a week or freeze for longer storage. Thanks for joining us in today's culinary adventure through the Mediterranean. We had a blast showing you how to make 5 scrumptious snacks that capture the essence of Mediterranean flavors. We hope these recipes inspire you to bring a touch of the Mediterranean into your kitchen. Don't forget to try making these snacks at home and share your creations with us in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more delicious recipes, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our tasty adventures. Happy snacking, and see you next time!